Hello and welcome back to my channel Career Drishti. I am Purva Panwalkar and I am an educator and a certified career counselor. In my previous video, I mentioned that I will be starting a series of videos on careers and AI. In case you have missed out watching the videos, you will find the link of the same in the description box down below. In this particular YouTube video, I will be talking about the traditional career paths and how AI is transforming them. With the advanced technology and AI coming in and changing the work environments, a few questions that come in everyone's mind. How will AI play a role in traditional careers? Will AI take away my job? Will AI replace certain jobs? And obviously, these are very, very valid concerns. With reference to the above questions, I will talk about skills and qualifications that are needed to pursue a career in AI, also the educational pathways and the resources that are available to help you get started. All of us know artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming various industries and creating new career opportunities as well for people with the right skill sets. So before we dive into the new age careers, let's discuss a few traditional careers and how AI is creating a transformation in fields like healthcare, education, marketing, finance, transportation, etc. that are in high demand and offer some great prospects for growth as well as development. So we will get started with healthcare. Do you know how AI could possibly transform the field of healthcare and in diagnosing and treating patients? Yes, it is doing and it will do some great help. AI is transforming the healthcare industry by improving the patient outcomes, reducing the costs and increasing efficiency. Some of the ways are improving medical diagnosis, speeding up drug discovery, crucial one, transforming patient experience, managing healthcare data, which is humongous, performing robotic surgery. So these were just some of the health benefits of AI that I just mentioned. If you wish to work in the healthcare AI, you need a combination of healthcare expertise along with a good, strong technical background. To enhance the educational qualifications and skills to work with healthcare AI, you can pursue relevant courses and or certifications in the field. The global artificial intelligence in healthcare market size was valued to USD 15.4 billion in 2022 and is valued at a compound annual growth rate of 37.5% from 2023 to 2030. Now, the only reason I mentioned the statistics was that healthcare, which is a traditional and a very crucial field in our lives, so you all know that how big this industry is going to get in the near coming future. I will also talk about the skills that are required towards the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end. So next up is finance. Let us see how AI is revolutionizing the field of AI and helping its professionals. AI helps finance professionals analyze data, make predictions about the market trends. Also, AI is transforming the finance industry by improving efficiency, reducing cost, and increasing accuracy, something which is very important. So, how is AI enhancing the field of finance? Fraud detection. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to predict patterns and anomalies, enabling early detection of fraudulent activities. Trading. AI analyzes the market data in real time, enabling real-time decision making a little bit faster. Also, this technology the technology of AI is being used to develop a lot many financial products and make investment decisions with precision and improved accuracy. Now, all these accuracy, real-time data are of utmost importance as far as the finances are concerned. According to a report by the Research and Markets, the global AI finance market is expected to grow at a growth rate of 35.2% from the year 21 to 2026. Why am I telling you the stats? You all must be wondering, kya lena dena mera? But this is just to give you an idea of the potential growth in the field of AI and finance. Now, moving on to our next field of marketing. So, how is AI helping the marketers and engaging and improving customer satisfaction? So, with AI-powered tools like automation platforms, predictive analysis tools, people's favorite, the chatbots, etc., marketers can analyze customer data to personalize messages, create more effective marketing campaigns. There are several AI-powered tools that are helping the marketing professionals to analyze the market trends and analyze data. So we have market automation tools which use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer behavior, automate personalized marketing campaigns. Second is predictive analytics tools. These tools use AI algorithms to analyze a huge amount of data and identify patterns that can help marketers to predict the future trends and behavior. Next important, we come to natural language processing tools which give better insight of customer sentiment and behavior, and they can be used for social media monitoring and customer support. And the next up is the chatbots. These chatbots or other AI-powered tools can engage customers in real time, providing personalized assistance and recommendations based on their queries and behavior. So what's the use of these above tools? Is a common question that anyone would have. These AI-powered tools help the marketers to gain better insights into the customer behavior, the buying trends, automate personalized campaigns, and optimize better strategies for a better results. Finally, let's talk about education, my favorite field. Why? Because I have been a teacher over a decade, and the roles that I am going to talk about are the activities that we have as teachers are expected to do. But many schools have the traditional way of pen and paper, but now schools are also adapting a lot of technology. With the advancement of technology in terms of AI, also I'm sure that the teachers have already started adapting. So how is AI applicable in this field of education? Let's take a deep dive. Now, AI is transforming the life of teachers as well as students alike. Teachers do a lot of activities, starting from plan for the year to the minutest of daily planning of what has to be taught in the classroom, to preparing of question papers, assessing them, report writing, and all of these activities are very time consuming. So how will AI help the teacher? Will it replace teacher? Not yet. I don't think so. The personal touch that we have as far as the field of teaching is concerned will ever be done. So with these AI-powered tools, teachers analyze student data to personalize learning experiences, identify areas where students need extra help. About 1/3 of the teachers in the survey commissioned by Walton Family Education said that they use ChatGPT for lesson planning and coming up with creative ideas for classes to make the classroom obviously lively. AI tools like ChatGPT is becoming a big time blessing for the teachers to do a lot of daily routine work which has to be done post examination, like apart from paper correction, a lot of individualized report writing, comment writing has to be done in the reports, calculating the attendance, etc., where tools like ChatGPT have cut down a lot of time for teachers, which is of utmost importance and very, very crucial. So, did you all see the photo? Does it seem familiar or no? By the way, for those of you who didn't recognize, that was the photo of Henry Ford. Of course, who doesn't know Henry Ford now that I've told you the name? I would, now you all must be wondering, why have I shown his photo abruptly in the middle of nowhere? The reason being that I think of him like the father of probably AI. Now, why do I think that? Is when Henry Ford was the first one or the pioneer to offer or introduce something called as assembly line, which revolutionized the the manufacturing industry, and which had a profound impact on the world. I'm sure you all must have heard about it. People had similar fears to what they have today. My God, this assembly line is going to take away my job. Does the question sound familiar? Yes, I'm sure it does sound familiar. It is a similar question that people had way back when the assembly line manufacturing was introduced. So, but this new approach of assembly line drastically improved the efficiency, reduced the production time, and lowered the cost. Ford's visionary approach revolutionized the manufacturing processes, shaped the modern automotive industry, and set the stage for increased productivity and affordability in countless sectors worldwide. Similarly, the use of machine learning algorithms, factories can optimize their production processes and make more efficient use of these resources. And according to the report by Markets, the AI in manufacturing market size is expected to grow from 1.1 billion US dollars in 2020 to 16.7 billion US dollars in the year 2026. Do we realize that the scope that the scope that manufacturing and AI together have to offer? I'm sure you all must have realized it. And next up, we are for a field which is once the product is manufactured, it needs to be transported to the next step in the market or to the necessary place. So, is AI affecting, or will AI have any role to play in the field of transportation? Of course, yes. As technology advances, with the rise, we have seen a rise in the number of autonomous vehicles, and AI, the way AI is changing the way the goods are transported. Self-driving trucks are already being tested on highways, and experts predict that this technology will be widespread in the coming years. AI can analyze the large amount of data from the sensors of the vehicles, does fault finding, and predict on when the next maintenance would be required for a vehicle. AI can enable efficient logistics, supply chain management by optimizing route management, fleet management, traffic control, etc. AI also helps in the prediction of weather conditions, real-time traffic conditions, as I already mentioned, that will help the transport department of the given company to make informed decisions. So as we come to the end of this video, traditional careers, we talked about traditional careers and the role of AI in the fields like healthcare, finance, marketing, education, manufacturing, transportation, etc. With the help of these technology, professionals will be able to predict data to analyze it more efficiently, make predictions with a greater efficiency. Coming to the important aspect, as I talked in the beginning of the video, what would be the skills that would be required to make careers in these fields? And the market for AI in the coming fields is obviously going to grow in the coming time. So if you are interested in pursuing a career in these fields, it is important to stay up to date with the latest AI-powered tools and technologies, along with upgrading your skills and domain knowledge in the respective field of your work. One has to be flexible and adaptable to the continuously changing and evolving field of technology. Also, along with the above skills, you have an excellent command of the domain knowledge that is in your field of work, along with a bachelor's and or a master's degree in the given field. Mastery over programming languages like Python, machine learning, then data analysis and interpretation, financial forecasting, etc. are some of the very basic skills that I have just mentioned to y'all. So as I said, sharpening your saw, as was mentioned by Stephen Covey in his 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, is one of the basic habits that one has to inculcate in him or herself. Who knows, maybe one day y'all will be the one who will create a groundbreaking technology that will change the way the world works even for better. So in conclusion, whether you're in the field of healthcare, finance, education, marketing, transportation, there is a plethora of opportunities for those of you who have the right skill set and the mindset. And if you are looking for an exciting and rewarding career that will keep you in the forefront of technology, consider yourself exploring the many possibilities of that AI has to offer. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all have liked it. And if you all have liked it, a humble request to share it with your friends, family, near and dear ones, acquaintances, colleagues, etc. And if you all have not done as yet, what are you all waiting for? Subscribe to my channel so that you all don't miss out on the exciting new age careers now that we will be talking about in our upcoming videos. New age careers of that AI is affecting and dominating. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you are the first ones to be notified as soon as I upload a video. So bye bye and have a nice day.